Sewing machine. In early days, man used to wear clothes that were joined together with ropes. Then came the time when he used threads to stitch his clothes. It took a long time. In the year 1830, a French tailor, Barthélemy Timonium, invented the first machine which could stitch clothes and was called as sewing machine. This had one thread and it took a long time to stitch. Later, in 1846, Elias Homme invented an improved machine where two threads were used to make stitching easier and faster. A hand crank drove the machine.